In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build 3 AI skills inside Claude that handle your email, your scheduling, and your content, all without writing a single line of code. Here's what you're looking at right now: 3 workflows running inside Claude projects. The first one takes an incoming email, categorizes it, and writes a draft reply. The second one reads a scheduling request and responds with 3 real-time slots ready to send. And the third one takes a few bullet points or a messy voice note and turns it into 5 pieces of platform-ready content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all 3 of these set up and working for your own business. And here's the part I want to make very clear. You do not need any technical background to do this. That literally. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to understand APIs, automation tools, or anything like that. What you do need to know how to do is copy and paste. That is the entire technical requirement for everything you're about to build. If you've ever felt like AI tools are built for developers or tech people and not for you, this is the tutorial that changes that. Every step is visible on screen, every piece of content you need is provided, and the entire setup for each skill takes under 3 minutes. You'll be able to follow this. Now let's talk about what this actually does for a business. Right now, across email triage, scheduling back and forth and reformatting content for different platforms, most solopreneurs and small business owners are losing 2 to 3 hours every single day to work that is completely repeatable. It's the same kind of email handled the same way over and over. The same scheduling loop every time a new lead comes in, the same idea rewritten manually for every platform, every week. That's not strategy, that's administration. And it's the reason so many people who are genuinely good at what they do still feel like they're constantly behind, because a huge portion of their workday is spent on tasks that produce no new value. They're just maintaining the machine. These 3 skills change that. Not by eliminating your judgment, you still review every reply before it goes out, but by collapsing the time it takes to get from raw input to ready-to-use output. 2 hours of daily admin becomes 20 minutes of review. That's the difference between staying stuck in the loop and actually having time to do the work that grows the business. Everything we're building today lives inside Claude projects. A project is a workspace in Claude where you can store a set of instructions that Claude rereads every time you open a chat. Think of it like training instructions that run automatically in the background. You don't re-explain anything. You don't add context every time. You just paste your input and get a consistent, structured result. Every workflow we're building has 3 sections. The role tells Claude exactly what job it's doing. The rules define how it should behave, what to include, what to avoid, how to handle edge cases. And the output format locks in the structure of every response so you get the same layout every single time. That's the whole framework. Role, rules, output format. You'll see it in every workflow we build today. One quick note on tools. This tutorial uses Claude projects. That's the beginner-friendly version available on all paid Claude plans at claude.ai. Claude Code is the developer version, where the same instructions work but get saved as files in a folder. If you're a beginner, stay in Claude projects. Everything in this tutorial is built there. Let's build the first one. We're starting with email. For most business owners, that's where the biggest chunk of time disappears every single day. Step 1. Create the project. Go to claude.ai and log in. Click Projects in the left sidebar. Now click New Project to create a fresh one. We're going to name this one Inbox Manager. Click the name field and type it in. In the section named What are you trying to achieve? Type a short description. In this example, I will type Email Manager. Once you are done, click Create Project. Step 2. Add the skill instructions. Now we need to load the skill into this project. Open the Inbox Manager project by clicking on it. You will see a chat box on top, a memory field, an instructions field, and a files field. For this demonstration, ignore the memory and files fields. I will use the chat box in the next step. Next, click the plus sign at the right of the instructions field. This is where the workflow lives. Think of it as the training instructions that Claude will reread every time you open a new chat in this project. Put your instructions here. For the purposes of this video, I created it beforehand and paste it in this section. I will put a copy of the instructions in the description below. Take a moment to review the instructions. Mine has 3 sections. The role at the top tells Claude it's an email triage assistant for a solo business owner. The rules define how it categorizes emails, when it flags something for a human decision, and how long replies should be. And the output format at the bottom locks in the exact structure of every response. Category, flag if needed, draft reply, and follow-up reminder. Once you've reviewed it, click Save Instructions to lock it in. The panel closes and you're back to the main project chat. Those instructions are now active. Every chat you open inside this project will automatically run them. From this point on, Claude behaves like a dedicated inbox assistant whenever you chat inside this project. Step 3. Run it. Click into the chat input at the top of the project page. We're going to paste in a raw email. Nothing else, no instructions, no explanation. I pasted an example email exactly as it arrived. The skill we just loaded does everything else automatically. Hit enter and let Claude run. Don't touch anything while it responds. Let the full output stream in. Watch the output as it comes in. The category appears first. In this case, lead. The flag indicates how Claude will respond to the email. Then the draft reply comes through in a warm, professional tone, under 120 words, in first person. Then the follow-up reminder at the bottom with a suggested date. That entire response was built from one pasted email with no additional input from you at all. Notice what just happened. We didn't tell Claude what to do in the chat itself. There were no instructions in the message, no context, no explanation. The project instructions handled everything automatically in the background. That's the whole point of this system. You set it up once, and it runs every time. And that's the inbox manager. An email comes in, you paste it, you get a categorized and drafted reply in under 2 minutes. That's 30 minutes of email admin reduced to one review pass. If you want to automate the next layer, you can connect this to Google Sheets through Make or Zapier to automatically log every lead. But it runs completely on its own without any of that. Start here, add later. Skill 1 is done. Next, we're building the calendar coordinator. The skill that handles the scheduling back and forth that quietly costs you leads every week. Step 1. Head back to the Projects panel in Claude. We're creating a second project. Same process as before. Click New Project, name it Calendar Coordinator, and press Enter. Step 2. Add the skill instructions. Open the project settings the same way as the last project by clicking on the Project tab and then choosing Calendar Coordinator. This skill has more sections than the last one, so let's look at what we're inputting. Just like before, I paste the pre-made skill content in the instructions section. You'll see the role at the top, then a section for working hours, then meeting types, then the rules, then the output format. The working hours and meeting types sections are what make this skill useful in practice. That's what tells Claude what your actual availability looks like and what kind of call to book for which kind of contact. Before you use this for your own business, update the working hours, buffer times, and meeting types to match how you actually work. Right now, these are set to Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, with a 30-minute buffer between calls and 3 meeting types: discovery calls, client check-ins, and strategy sessions. Edit those to match your setup. Then click Save Instructions. I will include the instructions for this project in the description below, so you can try it for yourself. Step 3. Run it. This skill needs 2 inputs to work properly. First, your availability for the week. Second, the scheduling request from the lead. We're going to paste both of them into the chat as a single message. Click into the chat input and paste your availability block first. That's the short block with your open days and times. Then, press Shift plus Enter to add a line break, and paste the lead's email below it. Don't press Enter yet. Here's why you need the availability for the week and the scheduling request together. Claude can only recommend times you explicitly provide. It has no access to your calendar. Pasting your availability is what makes the output specific and usable rather than generic. Without it, the best Claude can do is ask the lead to suggest times. Now, press Enter. Let the full output come in before you scroll. Here's what you get. Meeting type first. Claude identifies this as a discovery call because the sender is a new lead, not an existing client. Then, 3 specific time slots pulled from the availability you gave it. Then, the draft reply at the bottom with those 3 slots embedded in the message. Warm tone, under 100 words, ready to copy and send. Let the full response stream. Do not touch anything, scroll slowly through each section. Give each one about 1.5 seconds. Now you have a polished reply with 3 real-time slots in seconds. If you want to operationalize this further, you can connect it to Google Calendar through Make or Zapier to fully automate the booking process. No keyboard required. But the workflow runs completely on its own without any of that. A lead who waits 2 days for a scheduling reply often books with someone else. This is the difference between replying tomorrow and replying in 2 minutes. And that gap is where leads go cold. Step 1. Create the project. Back to the Projects panel. Create a third project. Name it Content Repurposer. Press Enter. Step 2. Add the skill instructions. Open the project settings and click into the instructions field. This skill has 5 sections. Let's walk through what each one does as you paste it in. I'll put the instructions for this skill in the comments so you can try it later. Click into the instructions field. Like before, I will put the pre-made full skill content in the instructions section. The role tells Claude to take a single rough input and produces 5 platform-ready pieces of content without inventing new ideas. Now scroll down to the brand voice section and spend a moment here. This is what separates generic AI output from something that actually sounds like you. You'll see entries for sentence length, specific phrases you use, how you like to write calls to action, and what's completely off limits. If you've personalized this section before the demo, the output will read like you wrote it. Below brand voice is the platform rules section. This defines exactly how each output is formatted. In this example I wrote, LinkedIn gets a 150 to 250 word post with a hook line and a single question, or CTA, at the end. Twitter gets 3 standalone tweets, each under 240 characters, no threads. The email gets a subject line of 8 words or fewer plus a 100 to 150 word body. And the video hook is a single line, 15 words max, designed to stop a scroll. Feel free to change these instructions according to your preferences. Once you've reviewed it, click Save. Here's what you get. Step 3. Run it. Click into the chat input. The input for this workflow can be almost anything. A voice memo transcript from your phone, a rough YouTube outline, notes from a client call, or bullet points you jotted down before a brainstorm. Whatever form your raw thinking takes, this is what you feed it. We're going to enter a rough script. Messy, unformatted, exactly the kind of thing you'd jot down after a brainstorm. Look at how rough this input is. That contrast between what goes in and what comes out is the whole point of this demo. Hit Enter and let all 5 outputs stream in before you scroll. First, the LinkedIn post. Hook line at the top, short paragraphs, ends with a question. Then the 3 tweets, each one punchy and standalone. No thread numbering, each works on its own. Then the email newsletter, subject line first, then the body with a single call to action at the end. And finally the video hook, 1 line, 15 words, or fewer, written to stop a scroll mid-feed. Let the full response stream. Do not touch anything. Now scroll slowly through each output, pausing about 2 seconds on each one so you have time to read it. If you want to operationalize this further, you can connect the content repurposer to Google Drive through Make or Zapier to automatically save every output to a folder. But just like the other 2 workflows, it runs completely on its own without any of that. All 3 skills are built. Here's how to actually put them to work. You now have 3 AI workflows ready to go. The Inbox Manager, the Calendar Coordinator, and the Content Repurposer. Each one is a standalone project in Claude that runs the same way every time you open a chat inside it. Here's how to start. Don't set up all 3 today. Pick the one that maps to your biggest time drain this week, probably email, and run one real piece of work through it. Paste in an actual email you received this morning. See what comes back. Once you've seen it work on something real, the other 2 will take you less than 10 minutes each to set up. Every workflow follows the same pattern. Create the project, open the settings, paste in the instructions, role, rules, output format, save it. Then open a chat and paste your input. That's it. Once you understand the pattern, you can build a workflow for any repeating task in your business. If you want the fully automated version, where Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive run these workflows without any manual copy pasting, comment automation below. That's the next video, and I'll build it if enough people want it. You don't need more AI tools. You need reusable systems. Start with one. If this saved you time, hit like. It helps more business owners find this. Subscribe if you want the next workflow before it disappears into the algorithm. And if you're already building this out, drop where you're starting, email, calendar, or content in the comments. I read everyone.